This is a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on Signal. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Signal here. I have the Signal app opened up now. To enable or disable read receipts, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the pane, off to the far left side, your little sidebar here. You want to make sure that this is opened. This 3-bar hamburger menu opens and closes the side pane. You want to make sure it's open. Then you want to go down to the very bottom, down to where you see the little gear wheel. You want to click on the gear wheel. Then you'll go up to where it says Privacy and click on Privacy. Now on the center pane, down here under Messaging, you'll see Read Receipts. It says if disabled, you won't see read receipts from others. That means if you have yours off, you can't see if they've read your message. But to disable it, you would leave this box unchecked. To enable read receipts, you would check the box. Down below that is typing indicators. If disabled, you won't see typing indicators from others. If you check this box, you're enabling typing indicators. That means people can see that you're currently typing. If it's disabled, they can't see that. And if read receipts is unchecked, then you're disabling read receipts. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on Signal. Thanks for watching.